What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Lost and Forgotten. So today, guys, like I mentioned in a previous video in the Chrysler 300, you may have seen in the background there, I got a new surprise for you, and it's a 2003 Ford F-250, basically a work truck spec. And I purchased this truck from the same people I purchased the Chrysler 300 for. This thing's got only 16,000 miles on it. It's an 03, and I'll turn you around here and show you in a second the condition. It's pretty dirty. It needs a good cleaning, but the truck itself is basically as new, in great condition. We'll go through it, what we've got going on, and go through some of the stuff that the previous owners added to the truck, and as well as stuff that I want to do to the truck over the next couple of weeks here. So guys, this is my 2003 Ford F-250 XL Super Duty work truck spec that I just picked up a couple of weeks ago, and it is in great shape. She is in great shape. It has 16,000 miles on it. It's the 5.4 liter Triton V8. And the gentleman who owned it before me allegedly used it to plow. But I saw the plow that he had in his barn that I purchased the car from, and this plow looks basically unused. This was kind of the, have it around at the barn in case you need it kind of truck. Had big plans for it, maybe didn't really get around to using it, and it really shows with this truck. But that said, he did do a couple of options, or has done a couple of things to the truck. I believe the mud flaps are aftermarket though. Please let me know if you could have gotten those on your truck from the dealership. But they're nice. They're front and rear mud flaps. I believe there's some paint protection film right here on this panel, just as protection. And then it's got a tonneau cover, black tonneau cover on the bed. And one of the problems with it is one of the slats here, one of the plastic clips is kind of missing, so it won't hold up this last portion. It will buckle. It's just down. Got some rain on this thing the other day, but that's one issue I need to address. Otherwise, this tonneau cover is in great shape. There's no rips, tears. All the buttons latch. It just needs a good cleaning. It'll clean up like brand new. Side steps. These are just molded kind of plastic side steps. And then I believe the owner installed this Lund sun visor, fiberglass sun visor. I think it's kind of a cool look. It gives the truck a meaner stance, given it's a work truck spec. I like that it's a single cab, not an extended cab or a quad cab. And then coming around to the front here again, I believe this is a dealer installed Ford OEM bug deflector, as well as an aftermarket. Guys, let me know in the comments. I'm not an expert on these trucks by no means, but potentially an aftermarket chrome grill that's been put on here as well. Sorry about that, guys. We live near a hospital here, and occasionally you'll get like a medevac helicopter that'll fly in. Anyways, back to this car. Headlights are brand new. These are stock from the factory headlights, and this truck has been stored in a barn since new, and so that explains the condition there. And going around to this side, again, the side steps, the mud flaps, like new, brand new Firestone tires on here, guys, so this is really nice. And then we'll pop inside the cab here, and again, I mean, there's nothing much to go over here. This is just standard work truck spec interior. But interestingly, the truck does have a CD player, so it's got AM, FM, cassette, CD, air conditioning, sliding rear window, So has a couple of options, I believe. It doesn't have power windows. It's got the black vinyl flooring, just needs a quick cleaning. Manual dual range transfer case, and then controls for the plow are still here. So not sure if I'm going to leave the plow equipment on. I think this truck is so nice that this can be a what they call a going to town unit. And I think someone would appreciate just kind of the simplicity of it versus putting this thing to work. I mean, it's 18 years old at this point. It survived all these years not being put to work. So I think it kind of deserves another life, and not, you know, someone who's going to go put a couple $100,000 on it. But it's up to whoever gets it next, honestly. But yeah, bare bones interior. There's really nothing going on in here. Everything in here is in great shape. Everything works. CD player works. All the lights work. Windows work fine. Air conditioning works. So nothing that I want to address in here. A couple of items that I want to do is, like I said, I want to potentially take off this front hitch for the snowplow mount down here and the associated kind of equipment that comes with that. Kind of delete it. Want to fix this tonneau cover. And other than that, it just needs a really solid cleaning. The only other thing I forgot to mention was it's got an aftermarket's dual exhaust on it. And so, something that the previous owner did. It's got a trailer hitch receiver, you see that here. I think these are rated to tow 13,000 pounds. So this thing can tow. It, to my knowledge, hasn't been towing by the previous owner. Previous owner didn't do any towing with it. So, you know, that's great. But yeah, guys, this one's kind of cool. This was kind of a lost and forgotten F-250 work truck. You just don't see these saved, right? I mean, these things were put to work. These things were going to the job site. These were hauling things. These were towing things. You never see that saved. The fact that it's four-wheel drive is pretty cool. I kind of like the white, you know. I think it cleans up well. You know, this thing is rust-free. It's basically as new, guys. I mean, I can shoot you under here too, and you can kind of get a glimpse. I mean, the frame's in great shape. It's still really solid under here. The surface rust on the drive shaft, but other than that, I mean, this thing is ready to go. You'd be worried, you know, hey, this thing spread salt or something. You know, did this work at a municipality? But never did it have any salt equipment. The guy had a small property where he plowed maybe his driveway a few handful of times. I don't think he used that plow more than once or twice, if any. I think it was just kind of an idea this owner had. He was going to use this truck, never did. And here we are. So, yeah, again, guys, you can look under there. I mean, you can see the spare tire. The paint's still on that. This is 18 years old, by the way. So for it to survive this, these trucks just a few years ago, you know, they looked kind of commonplace. But now they're starting to turn heads again. I think they kind of got a cool look. So yeah. So yeah, guys, that's my 2003 F-250 work truck. Saved for 18 years in a barn, one owner. Now I'm going to bring it back around. It's already almost there. I wanted to get an update, give you guys an update on the 07 Chrysler 300. It's going in tomorrow to get a kind of a full detail as well as the headliner cleaned. So I want to pull that out, show it to you guys kind of a before today, and then tomorrow I'll show you what it kind of turned out as from the detailer and if they were able to get that headliner stain out, guys. So we'll go ahead and pull out the Chrysler 300 and we'll go from there. So here it is, guys, the 2007 Chrysler 300 Hemi-C. This is before it goes to the detailer for a full wash, wax, clay bar. And you can just tell this thing has been sitting for a little while and it needs some attention in the cleaning department. But I'm telling you guys, this thing's gonna come out like new. I want to do this quick walk around to show you what it looks like before and after this detail. Look right there. I mean, you can just tell this thing is nasty, guys. Now this will be the first time you get to see the new grill out in the kind of wide open here in the daylight. So there you get to kind of get a glimpse of that there. Turned out absolutely perfect. Fit couldn't be greater. It's stock, guys. Stock is what I like, and that's what you're going to see on this channel. Everything's going back to stock. You can't really see it, but I did add the stock license plate mount down there, and then I added a black, just a plain black metal license plate to that, to kind of give it a clean front look from the front. But yeah, guys, this thing it's nearly finished, and then we'll take this look at the headliner up here. Again, there's that dirt. I'm hoping that the detailer can get that out, or to at least kind of dumb it down a little bit for us. But that is nasty. I don't know what it is. I know it's not water. I don't think it's water. I left this thing out in the rain. Nothing leaks. But it's something nasty, guys. So I'll report back here shortly when that's done. We'll do another full walk around, maybe a quick drive video, and show you guys what all that's like.